Dear friends, in this video we are going to learn what is checksum verification or what is cryptographic verification. Okay, in IT world, many people know IT security world or in IT field, many people knows about these two things. In this video, I am going to explain what is really it is in simple and everyone can understandable manner. Okay, what is checksum verification or cryptographic verification? Okay, it is nothing but it is a kind of uh, verification of the originality of the software or genuinity of the software. Okay, uh, or we can explain in technical word integrity and authenticity. So verifying the integrity and authenticity of the software, we can tell them as cryptographic verification. Okay, but what really it is we are going to see now. Okay, in every open source field or in every software company, whenever they are going to publish their ISO or the image to the world, I mean to everyone, they will share additionally one code called checksum or cryptographic key or hash key or uh, hash code, like that they will publish. For example, I will show nothing. Yeah, see. Okay, this is one of the FreeBSD operating system. Here I am going to download the FreeBSD 14.1 release. Okay, so when I click this one, so they given multiple format of the ISO formats, right? One is compressed version and one is image version. Another one is uncompressed version. Okay, additionally we can see two checksum verifications: SA512 sum and SA256 sum. Okay, similarly for Ubuntu also providing like that. uh, so if you click that one alternative, if we go there, they. Yes, I am choosing any one of the mirror. Okay, Australia. I'm going to check for the latest version. Here also we can see they also offer two SAR 256 sum GPG and SAR 256 sums. Okay, every operating system they will publish the ISO with the checksum key. So this is mandatory to check. In Windows also they will provide the hash code. Okay, Microsoft.com, they have provided the hash code to verify once after you download. Okay, in Kali Linux also we could see the sum checksum value. Okay, in Parrot Security Linux also we could see. Okay, so this is mandatory to check after downloading the ISO file from their website. Okay, so here what I am going to explain. What is that? Yeah. So after downloading the ISO, we have to verify the cryptographic key or checksum key. Okay, I have downloaded the FreeBSD operating system. Let me show here. Let me explain here. 1 minute. Terminator. I'm in the my home directory. I'm going for to download location, and you get ls-ltr. Okay, yeah, here we can see I have downloaded the ISO. I put it in my uget directory. Okay, this is ISO, downloaded ISO. Size is nearly 4.3 GB. These two are the checksums I have downloaded from there. Let me cat this one. Control Shift C, Control Shift V. Here you can see these many hash keys are they have provided. Okay, and if I cat this one also, Here you can see this is SAR256 some values. This is the cache value we have to verify once after download. Okay, now what I am going to do, so I am going to generate the, okay, generate the SAR256 sum for this ISO. Okay, SAR256 sum and the control shift C and control shift V. Okay, it will take 1 minute, I guess. So it is generated. Here we can see the hash code is given. After downloading the ISO, we have to run this command. If you run saw 512 sum, 512 sum and the file name, it give the saw 512 sum hash code. Okay, so this is saw 512 sum. So it depends upon the OS distributor, they will offer different kind of verification. One is saw one sum verification, another one is MD5 sum verification, saw 224 also there. But most of the operating system comes by the saw 512 sum and saw 256 sum or GPG verification. GPG verification we can check in another video, but here we have to focus saw 512 and saw 256 sum verification. Okay, so if we want to generate the saw one sum key, we have to give like this under the hash code. Okay, it will give the saw one sum key, but they didn't give the public hash code for the saw one sum from the FreeBSD operating system. If you want to generate the MD5, you have to run MD5 sum. Okay, this is one of the old legacy method to verify MD5 sum alone. MD5 sum alone, old mechanism to verifying the cryptographic. Okay, so we have to use in modern world we have to use the saw 512 sum or saw 5256 sum. Okay, now I have generated, right. Let me explain the basic, the behind this scene. Okay, how it is working, like that we are going to see. Let me consider. Okay, uh, I'm copying the one of the file from the desktop. Okay, this is one of the small script, very small script. Okay, this contain these things alone. Okay, after consider me, this is one of the ISO file or this is one of the OS file, like that you have to consider. After the beta verification, alpha beta verification, I want to make this code to public, so anyone can download and anyone can use, like that they can. I am going to publish this one. Before publishing this one, I have to generate the saw code. Okay, I am going to generate the saw 256 sum and the tar sh file. So this is the hash code. Okay, this is the hash code I have to provide. uh, Okay, I have to provide to the world or in that website, in that public website also I have to mention this one. Okay, consider this is a tar version 0. Okay, so which means there is no modification from our end. I am going to publish this ISO file to the public, to the world, like that mean. So I have generated, there is no modification from our my side. So this is ready to use, ready to download and ready to use from the website. Okay, there is no modification from my end. From the future, if there is any modification, I have to do the same alpha testing, beta testing, and I have to give the new version. Instead of version 1, I have to give the tar version 1.1 dot sh, like that I have to give. Okay, instead of updating the old file, I have to I have to generate the new file, and I have to give the I have to upload the new file to the old new files uh, SHA-25 sum one file also I have to give. Okay, here we can see it giving the same value here and here. Why means there is no modification inside of the .sh file. Okay, I'm going to remove the tar version 1 file because it will confuse. Okay, let me talk about what is behind the tar sketch. Okay, I have explained that this is one of the ISO file. I'm going to publish this in my website so everyone can download and everyone can use it. But what will be the genuinity? What will be the integrity? Which means, so if someone hacked my website, they put my malicious code on this tar ISO file, so which means there is no security, right? So if they put adware or malware or ransomware put in that ISO file, that will be a serious security risk. So this would not be like that. But before publishing it, I will generate this SHA-256 some code and uh, generate this SHA-256 some code, and I will publish this tar.sh file with this code. But this code will not be in this server. This Okay, this will be in anywhere in the world. I definitely every operating system company have multiple mirrors to uh, publish download the ISO. Okay, they put this code in the different location, not in the where not in the same location of the ISO file. So even if the hacker hacked this website, they modified this ISO file tar.sh file, so the generated hash code will be same. It will be differ from the new file. For example, this is the public code right now. So consider one hacker hacked my website. He putting some word in the ISO file or the tar.sh file. I putting my code hello hello world. Okay, and in the tar.sh file. Okay, if I add this code, if I regenerate that one, it will give the differ code. So like that we can understand whether the software is hacked or tampered or any put malicious code in that ISO file after publication of this ISO. Like that we can verify. Okay, for example, here coming to the Ubuntu, where is Ubuntu? Here we can see there will be lots of mirror. Ubuntu offering lots of mirrors. Okay, ubuntu.com, they people offering lots of mirror to download this ISO. Okay, if I go for Australia, here also we can see the SHA-256 sum, right? So this hash code will be same as another mirror. Okay, I'm going for the uh, Bulgaria's one. uh, this mirror. Okay, Ubuntu 22.24.041. Here also we could see the same SHA-256 sum. The inside what are the code will be same in every mirrors. Okay, so if anyone hacked this mirror alone, they publish a malicious code. This by verification of the SHA-256 sum, we can understand whether the downloaded ISO is original or not. Like that we can verify. Okay, now I have downloaded one of the ISO from the FreeBSD org, right? So I have put it in my uget directory, right? So I have to generate the SHA-256 sum code for this one. Okay, SHA-256 sum, Control Shift C, Control Shift V. So it is giving this code, right? So I have to copy this code, Control Shift C, and I have to copy it, Control Shift V, from the checksum 256 some file. Okay, control shift C and control shift V. It should give entry called FreeBSD operating system, FreeBSD release, like that. If it gives like that, then this is a original software what I have downloaded from the FreeBSD org. Okay, freebsd.org. Here you can see it giving the ISO file, which means this is a original software. Okay, there is no modification after the after application from the FreeBSD org. Okay, so now I am going to verify one more checksum 512 sum. Control shift C and control shift V. Sorry, not this one. This is the ISO file we have to verify because this is the one I am going to install on my laptop or server or whatever wherever. So here we can see this much code. This is because SHA 512 sum is advanced one compared to SHA 256, so it give this much hash code. I'm going to grab it now. Control Shift C and grab Control Shift V on the file name SHA 512 sum checksum file name. Control Shift C and Control Shift V. This one also is giving the entry of the operating system, which means what I have downloaded from the freebsd.org. Okay, this is a original software. There is no modification, there is no tampering in the ISO file. This is a originality. This is how we have to verify the checksum. Okay, there is multiple way we can verify. Okay, if you go for the Kali Linux, okay, one of the Kali Linux website, they offering this, right. After downloading the ISO from the Kali Linux website, you have to run the here they have provided SAS256 sum code. Just you have to run the SA256 sum space the downloader ISO. It give the one of the code and just copy code and control shift V. If you control shift C and control shift V means it will it it will find this code, which means this is a original software, like that we can confirm. First you have to just download the ISO, run the SHA256 sum space that file downloaded ISO file name, then it will give the one output called SHA256 sum code, like this. Okay, like this it will give. Just to copy this code for the Kali Linux and come to the website and control shift control find and control find this code. It will give the this one, which means this is the original software, like that we can confirm. Okay, as I mentioned, there is no modification after this uh, OS vendor. Okay, if they want to modify, if they want to give new version, they will do alpha testing, beta testing, and they will publish as version 1.1, like that they will publish. They will not modify the previous version of the file. Okay, like that we can confirm the originality of the software. Okay, in every operating system they are providing, we have to verify the hash code. Without verification of the hash code, don't put it in server, production server, live server, or even if your personal laptop as well. Okay, this is mandatory to check. Okay, here next thing, why it is important. Okay, this is important scenario. As of now we know what is checksum verification, how it is working, like that, right? So why it is important. Okay, so these guys are OpenSUSE, Ubuntu, Kali Linux, and Tails, Parrot Security, and every Debian and FreeBSD. Everything comes with open source, and it is a free. You can download and you can use it. There is no cost involvement. But Microsoft is not like that. They are offering some kind. They, if you want to purchase the operating genuine operating system, you have to buy from the Microsoft.com. Okay, but this is all people will not buy from there, but they will download from the malicious website or some of the torrenting website. Okay, if you download from the any Windows once when I was a Windows user back in 2016, I have used my Windows 7 Ultimate 64-bit, but I haven't bought from the Microsoft.com because the cost is too much. I have downloaded from the torrenting website. I have installed on my laptop, but the laptop was new only. There is no hardware failure. I could see lots of uh, hardware running and lots of sp- spyware also there, lots of virus also there. Okay, we should not download from the torrenting website. Even if you download any ISO, Microsoft ISO from the torrenting website, they can give the hash code, but that hash code is different from the this one. This hash code Microsoft providing. This is genuine code. After Microsoft developing team publishing the code to the public, they are providing this code from the Microsoft original code. But what you are downloading from the uh, torrenting website, that will be different. We should not use those kind of ISO to in your personal laptop and office as well. We have to be genuine because data is very important. Data security is very important. So security start from your hand. Okay, so this is why we have to be careful when we are downloading the ISOs, operating system files. Okay, don't download anything from the download anything from the torrenting website. Okay, as I mentioned, if you go and search Windows 7 or Windows 11, there will be lots of ISO. There will be a hash code also, but that hash code totally different from the Microsoft hash codes. Microsoft hash code. We should not use that one in your personal operating system. There will be a mining software, there will be adware, there will be a ransomware, uh, there will be adware, multiple spywares will be there. Okay, so if you use that one after some days, uh, so the spyware hacked your website, hacked your desktop. If they asked for Bitcoin monies, what you will do? So like that we have to think, we have to be genuine when we are choosing the operating system. Okay, so this is why checksum verification is very much important when you are installing the OS, when you are downloading the OS, when you are installing the software package, minimal software packages also. So when we come into the FastCup, these guys offering the checksum verification code. For example, uh, 7-zip. Here we can see, we could see the signature file. They are offering the MD5 SA1 sum also they are offering, SA5256 sum also they are offering. Let me verify this one. Okay, I am downloading the uh, any one of the file. Okay, it is downloaded now. What I am going to do, I am going to verify SA1 sum now. Okay, I am going to download location. Okay, I am opening my terminal. Shift plus SA1 sum 7-zip. The code is given, right? Just to copy this code, Control Shift C. Okay, I'm going to the website and I am finding that code. Control V. Here we can see it is highlighting. So this means this software is original from this website. This FastCup is one of the trustworthy website. I am using a very long time. From 2019 onwards, I am using this website. We can trust these guys. Okay, but I am not I'm not working for the FastCup. I'm just giving the uh, trustworthy only. Okay, Coming to the one more website called SourceForge. This is one of the file hosting website, and many operating system companies following these guys to publish their ISO. This Nitrix is one of the famous operating system from the Mexico, I guess. I want to download it means I can download from here, and I have to verify the hash code also. Here they are providing the hash code. Okay, so we have download, we can download and we can use it in, if this is a genuine software after checksum verification, we can use it from your laptop. Okay, okay, now we could understand why it is important, right? Is this only for corporate office or all we have to go? Okay, security start from every individuals. This is not for corporate office. We have to follow the checksum verification personal, personal too. Okay, in personal also we are using the operating system. We are downloading the packages from the multiple website. Okay, so we have to verify the checksum in every corner. Okay, wherever you are using, it is for all. It is for all. Okay, like that we can verify. Okay, if you want to verify, there will be a multiple code, multiple mechanism code we can we can verify. I will use this command to verify. For example, sar 512 sum hyphen c for the checksum file, checksum sar 512 sum, yes, 2 greater than 5 grab. Okay. So what I am going to, just redirecting the standard error and output in same place, and then I am grabbing the OK alone. Okay, I am giving the enter. It will take nearly 1 or 2 minutes. Depends upon the your hard disk read and writing. I am installed the my hard disk based on the SSD, so it giving too quickly. Here we can see it is okay, which means it is a original software. Similarly, you can verify by the SAR256 sum and then SAR256 code. Okay, okay. If you want to learn exactly what SAR256 code, on Ubuntu.com they have explained clearly. Okay, I will share this link. You can you can refer this one and you can understand much more manner. Okay, if my English is not understandable manner, then okay, you can follow these guys, because this will not take more than 15 minutes to understand these things. Okay, I will share these things in the description, just to follow. Okay, I am going to stop this video. Before going to stop this video, please let me know whether this really useful information. Okay, really understand, if you understanding the checksum verification, please let me in the comment section. And if you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. I will do research and I will give the simple and everyone can understandable manner, and like that I will publish in my YouTube channels. Okay, YouTube videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and thank you.